sweet and sour white fish, Thuy Hang's own twist. An express recipe to cook, ideal for a yummy weekday meal. Set the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Next, the sauce making on the stovetop. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil over maximum heat. Soften or slightly golden ½ cup of fresh chopped onion or shallot. Add in 3 fresh minced garlic and stir rapidly for just 10 seconds. Avoid browning garlic. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of cassava flour in 250 milliliters of water. Then set aside. Pour in tomato coulis and stir. Oops, let's avoid this sauce splashing by removing a bit this frying pan from the heat source. Always keep the heat on high. Stir the cassava flour and water just before adding it to the cookware. Now stir and wait for the sauce to boil again. And wait for the sauce to boil again. It's time to incorporate 2 tablespoons of white vinegar or rice vinegar, 1½ tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of nước mắm, which is fish sauce, one to 1½ teaspoon of honey. And you can put a little bit more if you want. Flavors are starting to blend and boil together. Oh wow! Oh my god! Freshly ground pepper and 1 big bell pepper cut in small cubes. Of course, I add a good amount of good thoughts and love for all my recipes. When everything starts to boil again, lower the heat to medium. Cook the onion and the bell peppers until they soften for about, let's say, 6 minutes. Place 2 of any white flesh fish fillets in the cookware. Make sure to coat the fish with the sauce. Cook in oven for approximately 15 minutes. The fish should never be overcooked, no matter what cooking method is used. Poaching, sautéing, grilling, steaming, frying, en papillote, etc.